If there's one thing I have sitting in my freezer at all times, it's a bag of marinated chicken. I like to mix up the flavors, marinate, and keep them handy for those days that I just don't feel like making the effort. I'm obsessed with this range of amino sauces from Colman's because they add so much flavor to your food without having to put too much effort in. Today I'm making some glazed chicken drumlets. Ideally, I would let this marinate in the fridge overnight, but today I just did it for about an hour. To make the marinade, blitz together onion, garlic, ginger with like half a chili, coriander, salt, and a good glug of olive oil and the amino sauce. I'm using the chili with seeds because I want a bit of a spicy kick to the chicken. If you're adding the amino sauce or soy sauce, just go a little low on the salt because the sauces tend to add a lot of salt and flavor to your marinade. I'm going to use the same base to marinate the chicken and to make the glaze that then doubles up as a dipping sauce as well. Blitz these up until it has a runny paste-like consistency. If you don't have a blender at home, you can just chop everything up as small as possible, mixed together to make the marinade as well. I just find this to be so much easier and faster. Wash, drain and dry your chicken drumlets and add them to a large bowl. Spoon in some of that marinade and mix well. Once your chicken is well coated, add in a spoon of corn flour. I'm massaging this into the chicken with my hands rather than the spoon to ensure that everything is well coated in the flour and the marinade. The corn flour helps your chicken to get that slight golden coating when cooking it. Cover this in some cling, pop it into the fridge for at least an hour or overnight. You can even put this into a Ziploc bag and freeze it at this point. In the meantime, make your glaze. Into a hot pan, spoon in some of the leftover onion, garlic, ginger paste that you used to marinate the chicken. Stir and let this cook down until it has browned and cooked through. Then add in some of the amino sauce, a dash of honey and some chili sauce. At this point, you can customize this to your liking. If you want it sweeter, add more honey. If you want it spicier, add in more chili. But don't skip the honey. It's very important to get that glaze-like consistency. Let this reduce down while stirring, and once it starts to bubble and be sticky, then add in a couple of cold knobs of butter and stir. Now your glaze is ready. Give it a quick taste and season. Get your pan going on a very high heat. Give your chicken drumlets a quick stir and lay it out on the pan. You don't need any oil or butter because you want that chicken to get a bit of a char. Turn it over after about 3 minutes and brush on that glaze. Turn it again and brush on more of the glaze so that the whole drumlet is covered in the glaze. Reduce the heat and cook it for about 10 minutes, but make sure to keep turning the drumlets. If you don't, it will tend to burn easily due to the honey that's in the glaze. Once your chicken drumlets have cooked through, plate this up with the rest of that glaze and you will have yourself the most amazing chicken drumlet bite that goes perfectly with a nice cold beer. And that is my version of a glazed chicken drumlet with an amino dipping sauce. Try this the next time you're having people over for a drink or even at your next barbecue. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.